So guys, how many of you have used this facial brush to wash face? Like this electronic facial brush to wash face. It feels so good using it, seriously. It feels so good. Guys, I just tried it. Just look at my video. Just look at it. I just tried it this morning and it came out well. It came in 5 changeable face. This is the first one I'm using, and just look at the video. Look at the way it was just scrubbing my face, making it feel so good. I just said let me give it a try, and I think I'm liking it. Yeah, I'm liking what I'm seeing. See it, see it, see the way my face is going, see the way it's going, see the way it's going, see the way it's going. God, I'm just having fun with my face, seriously. I think you got to try this. You guys got to try this. It's lovely. It's lovely using it. I just say let me give it a try, and I'm liking what I'm seeing. Yeah, I'm liking what I'm seeing. See the way it's scrubbing my face. See the way it's scrubbing my face. See the way it's scrubbing my face. Ah, oh God, it feels so good. Like when you're using it, it's vibrating as you're using it. It's vibrating on your face like when you're scrubbing something like clothes or jean with and the vibrating machine. That's the way it's vibrating. But trust me, it has two power. Like you can set it in a low, you can set it in a high. I think I'm using low. This way is scrubbing, but it feels so good. When I washed off my face, I saw dirt on my face. Since I've been afraid of using sponges on my face, so I decided to buy this and be using it on my face to see how it's gonna go. And it has been going well so far. I'm liking it. After the first set of the brush, I have to change to another mouth. The one I use that looks like foam, I have to use it to now dry it up with another soap again. Then I wash it off and then use the massager inside to massage my face later on. It feels good using it. So I think you guys should try it. Yeah. But if you have used this so far, please also tell me how yours feels. Tell me what you think that is good. Tell me how you felt when you use it. Tell me the experience you have. You can just comment and tell me if I'm doing it wrongly or right. You can as well tell me, because we learn every day and I want to learn more.